Your next connection is going to be made to terminals 4 through 7. You'll notice that 4 is also the ground wire for your siren, but it's also going to be the ground wire for any of your data devices like keypads or zone expanders or wireless receivers. You'll notice that I have 3 different wires on each of these, so there are 3 total wires coming in. 2 of those are going to be for keypads and 1 will be for a zone expander. Like I said, if I were going to use a wireless receiver like this, it would also have its same wires going and corresponding to the same colors, but instead of using the wireless receiver for this installation, we're going to use an RF keypad. This is a 6150 RF keypad, and its wires correspond the same way. Yellow, which of course would be the same as white, positive for red, negative for black, and G for green.